Hello trader, welcome back to my second video. I hope you really enjoyed today's market movements. Uh, let's begin what happened today. And from my previous video was on 1st August, and then after that there are 3 more days trading. So this is where I showed you the my trades in the previous video. And then after that there are 3 more days. And let's look at what happened today. So my today's opening balance is 29,459, and then a closing balance is 34,920. Yeah. And then today's profit is 5,460, something around approximately 18.5% is the capital gain. Okay, so in this video we're gonna quickly review about the number of trades that have taken, and did I really took any trades in previous markets, and if yes and why, if not why. We're gonna look at those points as well, and then later we're gonna understand the strategy that I've been following one more time again. And I missed a couple of trades, especially today, and I was a little bit disappointed. And missed trades never gonna come back. We have to look for a new opportunity. So every new opportunity is completely independent event it is. So let's go back to the chart here, not to spend a lot of time. Yeah, this is where the 1st August. So I've showed you the trades that I've taken from here, and then 5th August. Yeah, let me show you the report cards here. Yeah, let's go to daily. The 1st August was 2,608 is the profit after the settlement, and then after that there is 4th August was market was open. Sorry, 3rd August. Yeah, the 4th August the market was open. There was no trade. 5th August it shows there is a trade happened, but I really don't consider this is a very good day for the option buyers. So I really don't consider this day as well. And the 6th August, and there are no trades happened here. And you can see the number of trades that I've taken here. So this is on like 5th August, there's only one trade. The gross profit is 101, and then 51 is like after settlement profits. Really not a good day for the trader. But I was watching the market for the whole day. And the 7th day, like especially the today is like almost able to make 5,600. So we're going to look into the number of trades that I've taken here as well. Okay, let's go back to the chart. So the reason that I didn't took any trades on 4th August, so because the strategy is very simple. Uh, the fact that I'm going to keep in mind that it really doesn't matter where the market opened and where it closed in previous day. And for me, I really cannot focus on a lot of things like drawing so many lines and levels, and the odd numbers, even numbers, and then round numbers. So it's very difficult to follow news as well, because what I learned about all these things, what I believe, every stops, resistance, shoulders, any patterns that we are doing, that is makes a trade very complicated. So my strategy is really simple. So this is my moving average, like least square moving average, 100 period least square moving average. If the market is staying above this line, so I will look for a buy. So if it further towards the C call, if it is trading below this line, so I have to look for a put buy, because I want to do option buying. I don't have a lot of capital as well. So even if you look at this market for the whole day, so it's completely oscillating. And the scariest thing about it in this, so if you look at the volume on, like you just into this part, 800, 900K, 1 million quantity is trading, but there is no much movement. And then where is the spikes, but there is only 800. It's weaker to like these candles. So this is pretty scary. It's better to stay away. When you're not in the trade, you really don't have to look for a trade. So it's coming here, then took over your big movement, but there is no volume. So you really don't have to make any decision here. You have to wait for the market to calm down. So another most important thing here is the market will never go, most of the time it doesn't make a long trend when there is like a lot of spikes till something like this. So whenever it want to take a trend towards one direction, it goes slowly. Slowly it will go. So that's what I have been seen. So there are no trade. So not much explanation needed here. If you look at the chart, it explains everything. It is just like oscillating top, bottom. It's crossing over again and again. And then the very next day, so the market opened right below this in the line, the moving average that I'm using. And this was a very good entry, but I didn't took any entry because I really didn't had any confidence on this particular where I marked here. So this is supposed to be the entry level. It met all my conditions. It's staying right below this. It stayed below this candle, but I really didn't had any confidence. And because I was looking at the option chain chart as well, so I didn't see much movement over there. So I really didn't took any trades on this day. And then coming here, so this is the trade that I've taken on 5th August. So 96, it shows 96 is profit. After settlement it is something around 51 rupees is the actual profit after brokerage and then some tax, GST. When it comes to the brokerage, the reason I'm using Kotak security, it is just only 10 rupees. When I started using this one, it was zero for entry and exit trades. So if you don't have any, especially the Kotak Demat, so you can visit the nearest branch for opening all-in-one account, so which comes with your bank account as well as your Demat account. So if you don't have, if you want to open online, you can visit their official website called Kotak Securities, and then you can open bank account and as well as Demat account together. So I hope if you're watching this video, you should be having a Demat account. If you're already having a one, and if you're really comfortable with that, continue with that. You really don't have to worry about opening a new account in Kotak Bank until unless you don't want to pay 20 rupees for brokerage. So okay, the Kotak Bank you charges 10 rupees for brokerage. Entry and exit is going to be like 20 rupees. So where other brokers will charge approximately some 20 rupees, what I've seen. Coming back to the chart here. So yeah, looking at this particular day, this is where I took the entry and the exit was here. I supposed to exit at this point, but I couldn't. I was just holding it because my stop loss were already decided. For the most of the traders, so this level, especially they're gonna mark it at this level, and as soon as it comes here, they're gonna exit the market. So as soon as it hits, I bring my stop loss into a, with the stop loss, it came to a CTC break even. I made my trade into a break even. So when I entered this trade, my stop loss was just right above this candle. Right, just right above here is my candle, like wherever this line which is see here, like this is why it was my stop loss. I was just waiting for the breakout. If it breaks out, it would have been a really good move. Unfortunately, this is not my exit condition, so it didn't meet any of my exit conditions, so I didn't exit the market here. So it would have been a best trader for the day if I would have exited here, but it didn't meet my condition, so I didn't exit. So holding a trade for more than 1 hour 40 minutes, approximately 1 hour 40 minutes, I was in the trade. So the was holding the trade. So which is, you can see here, come here, the orders, load previous. Yeah, so this is the trade happened on 5th August, opened on 12:51 and closed at 2:31. So that's what I already marked in this candle. 12:51 and exited 14:31. So which is shows like, yeah, it's same number. Here it shows it is successful because it's a spot chart. But in option chain, you know, it happens with the decay holding trade for an hour. You have to bear a lot of decay, which like the price value will come down by its own. So this is what happened for the whole day. That's all. There is no trade. I really consider this is also a good trade because it didn't go in my direction. Since I was watching the market, so it's not a trading day for me. Okay, so no trade for on 4th August and there are no trades on 5th August. And then coming to the 6th August, if you look at the market, it is you can see like really good momentum here, which is try to stay below the market, below the line and then above the line. The reason I didn't I didn't trade, so as I mentioned earlier, there are like a lot of spikes, big momentum when there is no volume. So this is where I avoid, because it's very clear it didn't give me any direction. So when there is no volume, but still there is a momentum in the market. You can go back to your option chain, any chart, put side or the call side. There are not really momentum. So even if you would have taken the trade, so it would have taken the stop loss or have to exit at the CTC. So I couldn't find any trades in this momentum here. So and then looking at like this direction here. So if didn't happen, there's like very big candles here than average, and then keeping the volume at like just like 1 million and 1,450,000, which is recovered immediately. It took like 1 million here, and then there is no volume, but still it is recovered. So it's really not a good opportunity to take a trade, and there is not much momentum in the market as well. So there are no trade for the whole day. I was just sitting in front of the chart, watching the market. I couldn't find a good opportunity. This is also would have been a good opportunity, like especially like this zone. Let me delete this level. Actually, I really don't follow any levels actually, like drawing lines top and bottom, because there is no guarantee that the market will reverse when, for example, reverse. Yeah, this was my level. So there is no guarantee every time it will reverse, or sometimes it again when it comes here to the break. So there is no. The levels are used by really professionals. So people who's making a massive profit or using these levels, resistant, stop and resistant. Yeah, they're called stop resistant. So it required like a pro level of skills, which I don't have it, so I don't use it. So I just want something which is so simple that I can understand. So I really understand myself is that I can do things when they are pretty easy to do it. If it is complicated, I can't follow it again and again. So which I don't want to do it. So I want like very peaceful mind to trade. So that's all I've been doing. So coming back to today is like a really beautiful day. I was able to, you can already see like number of trade that I've taken here. On expiry day, holding a trade for more than 1 hour, it is a really great thing. Okay. So the entry is, you can see here the entry happened. I entered the market at 9:37 and I couldn't exit. I was trying to square up when the stop loss opened, so then I had to cancel the stop loss and then exit. So exit at like 10:56, so which is already marked on the candle on the chart here. The entry was really simple. When the market is trading below this line, so this is where I took after this particular candle closing. Let me the technical chart. Yeah, just right after this candle where I took the trade, so to put buy, and my stop loss was just right above this candle. Let's look at the option chain chart. Let me mark the trade. The time of trade was at 9:37, 10:56 was the exit. 9:37, 9:37, 37. Yeah, like sure. So just right after this candle closed, so this is where I took a trade and then exit at somewhere at this particular candle, 10:56. Yeah, perfect. The stop loss was just right below this. So this was my stop loss somewhere here. So I was just waiting. So at one point I moved my stop loss into a break even. So I'll explain that as well. Let's come back to the chart that we are looking at here. So as soon as it hits this break, the lowest candle of this day, and especially like this candle before even it closes, so I saw like this is breaking this level. So that's where I moved my stop loss to break even. So that is really, where is it? Yeah, the stop loss become my break even. So somewhere I just moved my stop loss just right above this. So by the time it's already given like a really good momentum for most of the people. So this, for them, this is a very good level. So they enter, and they, some of the people entered and some of the people booked their profit, but it really didn't meet any of my condition to exit the market. So I supposed to exit the market, but I really didn't see any momentum towards upside, and it didn't give any confirmation to make any trade towards upside. So I did not exit this particular trade. So I was just holding this trade for some more time. So it turned out to be a beautiful trade. So I was able to make approximately some 5,000. You can see a 5,460 rupees is a profit. So that's all happened here. The reason I exit this trade here without, before even crossing this trade, so I've seen like there is a big breakout here, and then a second breakout wasn't as long as this one. So if it is like longer than this, I would have been in the trade, but I don't want to risk much more, so I just exit the. If I didn't exit, so based on my conditions, so I supposed to exit the market just right over here. So this is supposed to be my exit. Yeah, so this made my all the exit term condition. So it's almost like a very same. I need to exit early. After this, there are no trades. After looking at the really good position here, and then after looking at the really good uh, opportunity here, I didn't took trade. The reason sounds very stupidity, but it really make any sense to worried about missing these very beautiful moment in the market. See, it's 100% strategy. It's 100% win rate. When the market is trading above this, it doesn't go other direction without breaking this. If it breaks, it means it is you went wrong. Your trades are taken wrong. And you really don't have to, keep the targets, especially in this level target or this level target or opening as previous day closing target. Look at this momentum. So as long as it takes the as long as it is staying with above this moving average, its market went upside. So there are no targets. My strategy doesn't decide the target. It's only a exit based on the condition and enter based on the condition. There is no key levels, there is no support resistance. It is purely based on indicator based strategy. That's all. So no, it doesn't matter if there is any news, or it really doesn't matter if the market is sideways or complete in one trend or reverse. So conditions are really simple. Following this one single indicator. Okay. Yeah, that's all happened. Yeah, let me tell you the reason. So I went for grab my break lunch. So I missed this opportunity. I saw it was a really good moment in the option chain because today is expiry. So I was pretty disappointed looking at this moment. So I just took a small break because it is going sideways. I really was expecting just sudden move, something like this. It just happened in a couple of minutes. So I missed. I was pretty disappointed, and then this was the exit point, and then also it just looked beautiful as a another opportunity. But I didn't took because I was mentally was not ready. Pretty disappointed. I don't want to make it like a revenge trade. So taking this trade after missing this one, so it fall into my condition saying a revenge trade. So I don't want to make that happen. So even winning a revenge trade is also very dangerous in my way. So you have to win the trades when you're really not so greedy or not so uh, uh, you know missing out things. So it's better to missing things, which is it's absolutely fine. And then tomorrow is going to be a new day, a new event. Every candle has its own uh, character, so I don't have to worried about missing this one. So that's all happened for the today's trading. I hope you all are able to make the really good profit. Thank you so much for watching, and happy trading days, and all your trading days turn out to be profitable trades. Thank you so much, guys.